Congratulations, George, on being given this special tribute by the Irish Film and Television Academy.
Congratulations, George, on receiving the special award from the Academy.
Hello, George Morrison. It's Jim Sheridan here, and I just want to say that for me, you're my D.W. Griffiths, Cecil B. DeMille, and Michael Moore all rolled into one.
But for you, it's curtain up.
I remember we were all taken out of school in the 50s to go see Misha Era. It was kind of a revelation to me at the time.
I was forced to go and see the Ten Commandments as well in school, and forced to go and see Misha Era, and both were a total joy. It was my two favourite days in school. I know you pushed through when it was immensely difficult. To create those first images, for everybody who looks back at it, it's an inspiration.
Your use of newsreel, your eye for those dramatic clips, and then to commission that wonderful music with its crashing chords from the late Sean O'Riordan. You nearly made a rebel of me, George.
It's remarkable what you've achieved on your own through the 60s, 70s and 80s when there was almost no support.
This is the very table which Misha Era was assembled on.
I am really delighted that George was able to make Dublin Day and to see him so easily move to computers for the editing.
I found Final Cut Pro absolutely splendid. It enables me to use both still and motion picture material and cut it in any way that I like.
You know, you've worked for many, many, many years with minimal support in a culture that really didn't value film.
And I know that by the time you made Saoirse and left it open-ended, that it was like, you know, one of those modern movies that has no ending. So Misha Era is the birth of the nation, and Saoirse is like our story now.
You've done extraordinary documentary work, and you've done extraordinary work as an archivist. And one of the few in Ireland who's done that, and you're an inspiration to all of us.
I still think now in this day, when we're back on the wild horse, that Buckman Bronco of capitalism, that we don't know where it's going, that people should look back and realise what you did for little money, with great passion and a great heart, and God bless you.
So thank you, George, and congratulations. And now you have your immortality. There is an award forever to be named after you, and appropriately in the area that you made so much your own, film documentary. Well done, George.
Reading a speech, a short speech. Uachtar an na Heral,
dear friends and colleagues, and all of those watching this show, share with me a unique moment in my life. I value this award more than I can possibly say. And in addition, the honor of having the feature documentary award given my name fills my cup to overflowing. My friend Kieran Scott, whose film Waiting for the Light deserves the highest praise, must not be forgotten. And in conclusion, I would like to express to the Irish Film and Television Academy my most heartfelt and grateful thanks. Thank you.
Enjoy it.
Thank you.
Enjoy it. Nobody deserves it more. Nobody deserves it more.